Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this feels a little awkward. It feels a little weird. It's been so long since I filmed the video. If you guys have noticed, anyone who follows me, who is subscribed to my channel, have noticed that I've been gone for a while. All my videos have disappeared, and the reason for that has been because I wanted to just like change up my channel. I felt like the content that I was creating previously, I think I had like over 100 videos, if not maybe a little less than 100 videos, but I did have a lot of videos, and they were vlogs, hauls, reviews, you know, like the standard that most people do, lifestyle. I just felt like my content had no substance to it. That's not to say my life has no substance. My life absolutely does have substance. I felt like the content that I was putting out, it wasn't helping anybody. Like, first of all, nobody knew me. People barely watched my videos. Like, I would get, you know, once in a while I would get like a good amount of views, but for the most part I felt like I wanted to do content that people could learn from. Like, you feel what I'm saying? Like, I want to make content that would impact somebody, that people will come to my channel, watch, and take something from it. I wanted to make my channel like a safe space for people like me, like women, not even just like women, you know, people in general. I wanted to make my channel somewhere people can come to and relate, you know, and feel like whatever they're going through, it's not just them. They're not alone. So that's why I got rid of all my videos and I'm starting over. Yes, I'm starting over. It's gonna be a whole different type of vibe on this channel right now. My channel is gonna consist of, you know, I wanted to go more in the direction of like interviewing people more. I hope you guys will stick with me. I hope to get a lot more subscribers on this new journey. I really wanted to, like, I've been on YouTube since 2015. I think I posted my first video 2015, and the content that I was putting out, like I said earlier, I don't feel like it resonated with people. People didn't relate. I mean, you know, it didn't show in the views. Of course I had, you know, a consistent amount of, you know, subscribers that will, you know, comment all the time and share my videos, but it was those same people. Shout out to y'all that have been there. So I'm grateful for the people who have been there, who've always supported the channel, but now it's a brand new day. We're going in a whole different direction. Welcome to the new channel. Although the, you know, the old subscriptions, the previous subscribers that I've had are already there, so it's not like a brand new channel that I opened. It's my same channel. I just wiped out all the videos and we're gonna start afresh here, okay? I wanna bring substance to people. I'm excited about it. Like, I wanna go on the street and talk to people. I mean, of course, it's gonna be done safely, but I wanna go on the street and talk to people. I wanna go to different businesses and talk to people, different, you know, maybe like schools, like anywhere that I can find an interesting story that I can bring to the channel. I'm gonna chase it and try to bring it to the channel and see, you know, I'm excited about this. I feel like this is what I should have made the channel to begin with. Like, it's like no limits to the topics that we're going to be talking about, okay? There's no limits, like anything. I also, maybe like down the line, I also want to do something to the effect of, like, I have a phone line, but like I have an email that people can just send emails to and ask questions or suggest topics that we can talk about. Yeah, I want to do something like that down the line, but for now, let's just start out with the interviews that I have lined up now. I'll bring them to you guys. We are going to have fun. I'm gonna try as best as I can to bring quality content your way. It's not gonna be like all those rubbish things like that I was doing before, because I consider it rubbish. Like, you know, like I was vlogging, I was just doing rubbish things, like it had no substance. I was just, you know, doing whatever. All that's behind me. It's a new day, it's a new chapter, and yeah, please subscribe to the channel and wait till you see what we have coming. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this new intro video, and I will see you in a future video. Peace.